Guys, you don't have to throw away your coffee bottles. All of these glass bottles, guys, are coffee bottles that are recyclable, and I use them for different purposes. Guys, I love doing DIY projects, and this video is just like that. I love the look of a beautiful space, no matter how cheap. I got these coffee bottles over a period of time collecting. If you know that you have friends that drink coffee, just ask them to keep the bottle for you. And this is how you will be able to achieve a look like this. Here are some organization tips and ideas that you guys can use for yourself. Welcome back to the channel. So guys, this is my breakfast cupboard. I store all of my items to the top, and to the bottom here I've been collecting and storing all of these glass bottles. We are going to do an organization, so let's begin. There was a sports event at my job and I won this. It's a storage container. I like that it has this little seal going all the way around. I plan to put all my loose tea bags in this. So let's get all these bottles clean and organized and filled with all these items that I have to the top there. Let's organize our breakfast area. Okay, so the top is empty. Let's empty out the bottom. This bag here just has 2 empty bottles like this, so I believe I need to wash them, so let's get all that sorted. And with all of these bottles here, 4 bottles only, I need to wash and peel off the label from them. These 5 to the back here is good to go. So guys, when you first get the bottle and you leave the coffee in it for a while, it turns black inside, so you just need to soak it for a little while, and this label is very easy to just peel off. No problem with it. So when you finish peeling it off and washing the bottle, it looks clear like this. This one I use for nuts, so I will be washing this one as well. And this bottle here I use for bay leaf. So the possibilities endless with what you can do with these bottles. So this is my organization, so let's get everything inside of these bottles. Let's just give here a quick little wipe down. This step organizer, guys, I found this at supermarket a good few months ago. I cannot remember the price of it. I will have to check back my video. But this is amazing. This holds all of my small bottles and has everything stored and organized in a cute, nice manner. I love that. Let's get these bottles all washed and dried, but first of all, let's remove all of these old labels. All bottles washed, and these will take a little while to dry off. But guys, I recommend that you do not wet the inside of these, because if you wet it, it gets like this. So I just take something and wipe them off, so it stays clean and looking nice like that. So guys, we have 4 bottles here. We have milk, we have chocolate, we have oats, and we have granola. Let's get these bottles filled. Why do I have Bobby here? I just love Bobby. Do what makes you happy, guys. Do what makes you happy. So guys, this is an item that I have for quite some time. I bought this at my local pharmacy. I can't remember what's the name of this. I was trying to remember what this is called, but I really like it, and all the different sizes stay in place, like it's not going anywhere, you know, and it's hard plastic. I really like that. I will go back to the pharmacy and see if they have any more and get the price for you. But this is really nice. So I am going to be using this to finish empty out all the rest of my products, because I'm making a mess, guys. I'm making a mess. I also like that it has this strainer part. We will be using this part, guys. This container just has some flavored chocolate drinks, so I just want to get them out of this container. So guys, this is what we're looking like so far. Very cute, very cute. So guys, I'm trying to get these small marshmallows to put in one of these bottles and some sugar, and that should be the end of our video. But so far, this is what we are looking like. Let's fit all of these bottles on this step organizer. This empty bottle here is for some small marshmallows. So we have oats, we have chocolate store, we have another one with oats, we have raisins, we have milk, we have granola, we have Benny chocolate drink, and we have another one with chocolate store. So this is exactly how it will look inside the cupboard on the shelf. Very cute. I love it. So guys, this is the finished product. This is what the inside of my tea cabinet looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.